Hello friends and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install Android apps on Windows 11. So we have only one official way to do this, and even this one is, I would say, quite incomplete, which is you can just go ahead and type in play games on for PC and go to this Google Play section. As you can see, we have this little app that will allow us to play games on our computer. So don't forget that this is only for games. This isn't for apps. So you download it for your PC, and the games that are allowed to be played on PC, you can go ahead and play. If not, you can just go ahead and search for BlueStacks, and this one will support everything, including apps. Go here, download it for your PC, and then guys, you will have a very simple interface. Let me actually show you the pictures. Right, so you will have this kind of interface. All right. In here you will have the settings. You can click on this, you'll have the settings, and you can just go ahead and open up your Play Store just like you would on your physical phone, or maybe you have a tablet. Search for an app you want to install and then just install it for your emulator. So, and also don't forget you will need a Google account for this. So two ways for you guys, depending on how you want to go with it. Make a choice. If it's games, it's this one. You can also play, of course, on BlueStacks games very simply, or you can use this app as well. Let me go back. This one right here. So enjoy. Also, if you need to see how to set them up, make sure to let us know in the comment section and we'll make a separate video for you. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks.